For this video, I want to look at the bibliography tools which are in Microsoft Word. Very often we have to put references into our work for academic studies or for reports that we have to write, and sometimes doing the bibliography at the end can be one of the most stressful things to get correct. But fortunately Word can do it all for us, and it's much quicker and really does cut down on the stress. So what we're going to look at is referencing this web page. So this is a brilliant article by Nate Anderson on Ars Technica from 2013 about how he became a password cracker, and it kind of tells you how password cracking works and can actually help you become more secure in your own password. So we're just going to reference this in our work, and we'll see how it can work out. We'll go to Microsoft Word and we will put in some text, and obviously this will be text that we'd copy from the web page in question or from the article or book or whatever, and we want to make a reference to it. So first off, we click on References and Insert Citation. Now we have no sources added at the moment, so we add a new source. And it says type of source at the top, and if we click on it, you can see that we can actually reference pretty much everything, even films and performances, and of course books and journal articles. For this, we're just going to do a website because it's one of the easiest ones to do. And I'm also going to tick the box which says Show All Bibliographic Fields. First thing to note is that you will see some red asterisks turn up, which of course red asterisks usually mean you have to fill this in, but as you can see from the bottom, it's a recommended field as opposed to a required field. So what I'm going to do is just fill in this reference. So as you can see, I've filled this in. One of the things we can do with a website, of course, is we can put the year, month and day it was created, and of course the year, month and day that we accessed it, and then of course the URL. And all I'm going to do is click on OK. And you'll see it will put in a reference straight away in my text. I can then carry on typing some more stuff, and if I want to reference it again, I can click Insert Citation, and you'll see it will appear in the list. When it comes to adding our bibliography, we can click on Bibliography and just click on the top one, Insert Bibliography. And you'll notice it will now give us a bibliography. And straight away, people who have already completed their degrees are probably watching this video and holding their head in their hands thinking, it's really that easy. Yes, it's really that easy. If you need to change your format, as you can see, I can click on there where it says Harvard, and we can go to APA, Chicago, Harvard Anglia, MLA, whichever one we want, and it will just change the formatting as it needs to. If you save this document and open a brand new document completely, what you will find is, although when you click on Insert Citation, the citation is not there, if we click on Manage Sources, you will see that the sources will be there. So this kind of goes across all your documents. Very useful if you're on a kind of long-term course and you're using references constantly from the same source. But if you ever find that we need to edit things, then obviously you can click here, you can go into the Manage Sources. You can copy it to the current list, so it will go into the new document. We can delete it if we need to, we can edit it, or we can add a new source from there. And that is a really quick way of doing citations and a bibliography in Microsoft Word.